Last week marked 1 year since the current government was formed and Micheál Martin became Taoiseach for a second time. And one of the criticisms that he's faced is that he has been abroad too many times in the last 12 months.
The Taoiseach's first responsibility is domestically here, and certainly Micheál Martin being away again and again and again rather than doing his work for the Irish people certainly doesn't help.
This is a man who loves being out of the country, getting his photograph taken, meeting more leaders. Get your arse home here and deliver for the people who elected you. He's worse than the bloody chieftains. He's permanently on tour.
So how many times has the Taoiseach been overseas? Well, since the 23rd of January last year, he's been abroad 25 times. These include 8 trips to Brussels for European Council meetings. He also travelled to Wales and Liverpool for a UK-Ireland summit meeting and a British-Irish Council meeting. He attended the funeral of Pope Francis in Rome, while he's also been to London to meet the UK Prime Minister Keir Starmer. There were also various trips to France, Luxembourg and Belgium for various diplomatic meetings. There's also been trips further afield. He's visited the United States twice, once for St. Patrick's Day, while he's also been to the UN General Assembly in New York. He's been to Canada to meet the Canadian Prime Minister Mark Carney. He's been to COP30 in Brazil, and he's also been to South Africa for the G20, while he also travelled to Angola for an AU-EU summit. Earlier in 2025, there was a state visit to Japan, while just a few weeks ago, the Taoiseach also visited China. Despite all the travel abroad, some argue that the trips overseas are necessary.
The Taoiseach is a member of an exclusive club, the club of people who are heads of government around the world. Diplomats can do so much. Ministers can do so much, but the Taoiseach is the only one who can connect with them at their level.
In March, the Taoiseach Micheál Martin is expected to visit the White House to meet Donald Trump on St. Patrick's Day, so his overseas trips abroad are expected to remain in the spotlight.